Oh, hey there, friend. Have you ever wondered what $1 million gets you in downtown Denver, Colorado? Here we are at a $1.1 million condo and some change. Maybe you don't like commuting. Maybe you just want to be in the center of everything. Don't blame you, friend. Well, let's come check this out. Right here, we have a 2-bedroom, 3-bath condo in downtown Denver, Colorado. This one's on the first floor. What's kind of cool about this is that you can walk right out here. If there's a parking spot right open, which there is right now, you can park right there, walk right out to your car. Doesn't happen in downtown Denver very often. So what's kind of really unique about this place? Of course, we have all stainless steel appliances, nice open concept throughout, hard surface countertops, very nice touch. Now we walk into here, and in here we got one of my favorite parts. It's completely open all the way up to the top. Nice little railing. This is also a 2-story condo, so you get on first floor and second floor. Then we have a bathroom here. Nice wide open space. Nice area for couches and TV and still being able to do some people watching. Now let's go check out the upstairs. You know, I really like lower downtown. LoDo for short. If you're wondering what LoDo stands for, it's lower downtown. Here we are, about walking distance from Coors Field. Actually, you could walk to Union Station as well. It's not a far walk, Larimer Square. Check out the Coors Field video, Union Station video, and Larimer Square. If you're a baseball fan, this is a great place. Get this place, be able to walk to the games, have a whole nice little weekend condo. It's a really nice place for that. This might be almost 1.2 million, but think about how much you can save on Uber rides. Probably not 1.2 million a year. Let me show you this master bathroom. It's really cool. In a bath, all about a Saturday night. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Oh, hey there, friend. Do you usually just walk in on people while you're in the bathroom? That's weird, but that's okay. Sometimes I really just like to imagine and picture myself in the home like it was mine. So I like to kind of make myself at home. This would be pretty cool to take a bath here. Maybe I want to rinse off now. Could I see myself taking a bath here? I think I could. This bathtub's pretty awesome. Nice and deep too. Here we have this really nice shower. Go rinse yourself off. 2 people can actually use the bathroom at the same time. 3 if you count the toilet. Hey, come check out this master bedroom's closet. It's pretty cool. There's so much room for activities just in the closet and everything else. Your 500 pairs of shoes. A lot of hanging clothes. Nice custom cabinetry for the closet. Okay. Oh, we got one more bedroom to check out. And if you work from home, this will probably be where you spend the most time. This is always nice walking by this. Just do so much people watching or reminiscing about days past. Here's your second bedroom or your office. You ever wanted a corner office and work from home? Boom, right here, corner office downtown. You don't need a promotion, friend. Promote yourself. Now there is a train over there. They usually move pretty slowly coming through here. So, just wanting you to know. Oh, hey there, Fred. Thanks for coming along with me as we toured this $1.1 million condo in lower downtown Denver, Colorado. I sure had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. Would you please do me a huge favor? Will you please show a little bit of love to that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on Denver condos. Bye, friend.